How to create unique file names with the date and time of conversion with Raster Image Printer 12. Whether you are using TIFF Image Printer, PDF Image Printer, or Raster Image Printer, with version 12 of Peernet's image printers, users now have the ability to add, edit, and reorder output file name parts to create unique file names. This might be of interest to you if you need to include information like the date and time of conversion, the department doing the conversion, or a unique file ID in your file name. This video will be discussing how to add the date and time of conversion to your file name. Begin by creating a custom profile that you want applied during conversion. The profile is a group of settings that will create the output image you want. Double-click on the image printer icon on your desktop to launch the image printer dashboard. If you have removed the image printer icon from your desktop, you will find it by selecting Start and scrolling down to your image printer. Select Edit and Create Profiles. Either create a copy of one of our system profiles or select Add Profile. I will create a copy of the system profile, Color Optimized TIFF, because I still want to create a color multi-page TIFF image. I just want to create a unique file name by adding the date and time of conversion. Rename the profile to something you will recognize. In this example, I will call it Demo Profile and will add with date and time to the description. Typically, users that wish to carry out detailed file name customization using our file name creator do not wish to be prompted after each print. You may wish to begin by adjusting your prompting settings. Go to the File Name Creator tab. To add the date of conversion to your file names, select a date. You can choose to add just the year, just the month, or just the day, or a combination of all three. You also have the ability to order the parts, so you can determine if you want the year first or last, or if you want the month before day or day before month. In addition, you have the option to add prefix and suffix text to each portion of the date. For example, I can separate the date from the output file name by adding an underscore as the prefix to the year. I can separate the different date parts by adding a hyphen as a prefix to the month and day. To add the time of conversion to your file names, select Time. You can choose to add just the hour, just the minute, or just the second, or a combination of all three. You can choose where in the file name you want the timestamp. In addition, you have the option to add prefix and suffix text to each portion of the time. For example, I can separate the time from the output file name by adding an underscore as a prefix to the hour. I can separate the different time parts by adding a hyphen as a prefix to the minute and second. For more information on how to customize your file naming further, see our Create Files with Custom File Names video, which discusses all of the file name parts available with this editor. When you are done customizing your file name, click Save and Back, and close the Profile Manager. If you wish to make this new profile the default profile used by the image printer, select Manage Printers. Beside your image printer, drop the box for the profile and select your new profile as the default. Save your changes. Printer management also allows you to rename the printer and create multiple copies of the printer. Close printer management and the dashboard. Now when you print to your image printer, Your images will automatically be named using the file name of the print job with the addition of the date and time of conversion. Try out our Raster Image Printer for yourself and see how easy and effective it really is. Click the link below to download a free trial.